Steve Henry Show, and coming this week, if you didn't see it, I just gave a Jeep away. Number 6, that's right. Oh, man, was that awesome. I am fired up, baby. You have no idea. I just love giving those Jeeps away. It's a beautiful thing. Number 6. And you could be next for number 7. How do I get there, Steve? Well, you just go to the new Steve Henry Show. Make sure that you're in our email contact information, and you participate in the show, 4 o'clock Mountain Time every Saturday. It's a live cooking show, entertainment show. What in the world are we growing here, baby? Yeah, we got tomatoes. You can't make a sauce without tomatoes. You can't have a snack without National Snack Month. That's what it is, February 2022. It's National Snack Month, and we are celebrating National Snack Month with the most popular snack there is. I did the research. I'm looking. It's actually pizza rolls. That's right. Ooh, have you ever been into one of those? My kids used to eat those, and they're nasty. Well, not the way we're going to make them. Gino had a pretty good thing back in the 70s, but we are going to make fresh, homemade pizza rolls, and we're going to make the granddaddy of them all, the actual calzone itself. But it all starts with a fresh tomato on the tomato vine. We'll pick it right off the vine here, and we'll make you a sauce. We'll show you how to make that sauce. It's a cold sauce, not a hot sauce, a cold sauce. We'll show you how to make that, show you how to fry up those beautiful pizza rolls. We're going to have so much fun this Saturday, 4 o'clock live. You don't want to miss it, too. We have $200 spins. That's right. We'll probably give away 3 of those. So all you got to do is go to the comment section and say, Steve, I'm here. And that's all you got to do. And I want to say special about, 2 days from now, a guy by the name of Del Maverick. He's going to have what they call a watch party. What is that? Well, it's where they watch the Steve Henry Show. 10 or more people get together and they just have a little party. Well, we're going to do a little pizza for those guys. I'll do it for you, too. If you want to arrange a watch party, 10 or more people, I will make sure the local pizza parlor or whoever you want, as far as food goes, gets delivered. We can have a little food and a watch party and watch the Steve Henry Show live. I think it's pretty cool. Del, you did a great thing. You introduced us to this idea, and we love you for it. You're a great guy. People that you brought, one of them got the Jeep. It's amazing how that works. Don't miss the show. You are going to blow away when you see what we're going to do this Saturday live, 4 o'clock Mountain Time. It's pizza rolls, calzone, right here at the Steve Henry Show. Don't you dare be late.